Malaysia versus Team Elimar. Team Malaysia, Joshua Barrientos. Team Elimar, Renimer Johnson. Malalaman natin sa paglinggo kung sino yung nangunguna between Elimar and Team Malaysia. Team Elimar from Santa Maria, Davao Occidental. Team Malaysia from Zamboanga City. Malalaman natin sa paglinggo kung sino yung nangunguna. Nangunguna yung Team Malaysia, si Joshua Barrientos. Mahabol ang Team Elimar, si Renimer Johnson. Still leading pa rin ang Team Malaysia, si Joshua Barrientos. Mahabol ang Team Elimar, si Renimer Johnson. Nangunguna yung Team Malaysia from Zamboanga City. Sumusunod lang yung Team Elimar from Santa Maria, Davao Occidental. Nangunguna pa rin ang Team Malaysia, si Joshua Barrientos, followed by Team Elimar, Renimer Johnson. Approaching from the last boy, Team Malaysia. Nakaliko na yung Team Malaysia. Still leading pa rin ang Team Malaysia. Mahabol ang Team Elimar. Approaching from the finishing line ang Team Malaysia. Winner ang Team Malaysia, Joshua Barrientos.